CalMag supplements at the garden store can be pricey and full of unnecessary additives. The good news? You can make your own effective CalMag solution at home for just pennies. Calcium is the building block for strong, healthy plants, essential for sturdy cell walls and new growth. Without enough calcium, you'll see stunted leaves and blossom end rot on tomatoes and peppers. Magnesium is the core of chlorophyll, powering photosynthesis and giving leaves their green color. A magnesium deficiency causes yellowing between leaf veins and weakens your plant's ability to make food. Together, calcium and magnesium help plants grow faster, produce more fruit, and resist disease. You don't need fancy products. Eggshells and Epsom salt are all it takes. For calcium, use eggshells or oyster shells. For magnesium, grab some Epsom salt. This DIY approach saves money and lets you control exactly what goes into your garden. Ready to turn kitchen scraps into garden gold? Let's get started. Making a calcium extract is easy and uses something you probably throw away: eggshells. Rinse and dry your eggshells, then crush them into a coarse powder. Place the powder in a clean glass jar. Pour white vinegar over the shells. Watch for fizzing as the acid extracts the calcium. Fill the jar about 3/4 full, leaving space for bubbling. Let the mixture sit, uncovered or loosely covered, for 24-48 hours until the fizzing stops. Strain out the solids. The cloudy liquid left is your calcium-rich extract. Store it in a sealed bottle in a cool, dark place. This solution is potent and lasts for months. You've just made a plant-available calcium boost from kitchen waste. No special equipment needed, just patience and a little chemistry. Next, let's make the magnesium solution. It's even easier. For magnesium, all you need is Epsom salt and water. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate. Cheap, easy to find, and dissolves quickly. To make a concentrate, dissolve 1 cup of Epsom salt in a gallon of warm water. Use a clean jug, add the salt, fill halfway with warm water and shake until dissolved. Top off with more water, leaving a little airspace. Label and store your magnesium concentrate in a cool, dark place. This solution is ready to use and easy to dilute for your plants. It's a fast fix for yellowing leaves and magnesium deficiencies. Now you have both parts of your homemade CalMag supplement. Let's combine them for a balanced fertilizer. Here's how. Don't mix the calcium and magnesium concentrates directly. They'll bind and become unusable. Instead, dilute each separately in water. For 1 gallon of water, add 1 tablespoon of calcium extract and 1 teaspoon of magnesium concentrate. Stir well to blend. Use this mix as a soil drench. Water your plants as usual every 2-4 weeks, or use it as a foliar spray. Mist leaves lightly, avoiding hot sun to prevent leaf burn. Start with a weaker solution and test on a small area before treating all your plants. More isn't always better. Watch how your plants respond. This DIY CalMag saves money, reduces waste, and keeps your garden thriving. Share your own plant food tips in the comments. With just eggshells and Epsom salt, you've unlocked a powerful homemade plant booster. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching.